Hey guys, this is Cherry, your favorite pink hair fashion blogger in Korea. And yeah, it was a long time since I uploaded my first YouTube video. And yeah, today I'm going to introduce you guys because I have an exciting news for you guys about my aim지아 the label. Yeah, and this brand is one of my favorite brand I've known so far. It's called the aim지아 the label. And they have all this like cool clothing. They are really famous from Instagram, especially because all those like hipsters and cool girls try to wear it. And also in Korea, there's like the famous girl group called Twice wore this aim지아 the label clothing. So let's unbox this thing together. Let's go. So yeah, this is the box. I mean the big box, big sponge of vinyl bag from aim지아 the label. And yeah, it says it came from aim지아. It only took like 5 or 4 days. Yeah, and it was super quick. And yeah, I don't really think that overseas shipping is a big deal and big problem, so I really recommend it. So let's figure it out. What is the first product that I've ordered? Ooh. Oh my god. I think this is the red jacket that Twice wore. It's a red pixie jacket. I think this could be a little bit hot for right now for spring, but I think it's gonna be fun at the night days because like the spring they have a huge temperature difference. So yeah, this is like really cute teddy bear coat. So let's see how the design is. Oh wow. Oh wow. I feel like a teddy bear. This is like the cutest teddy bear coat I've ever seen. Like, do you see? I ordered into a small size because I don't know, like I like to wear it in a large size, but I thought this might be good with me with the small. So let me just like try to wear it. Yeah, it says here the aim지아 the label. And oh my god, this is the comfiest outfit I've ever worn. Oh, okay. I feel like I'm a cozy teddy bear right now, and this is like, yeah, it's really thick, but it's not very light, like, so it's really casual outer jacket to just like wear in spring and, I mean, not summer, but in fall. Yeah, so I succeeded. My first product from aim지아 the label. And my second product, ooh, what with this one? Oh my god, it looks like a mesh top. Let's just see how it looks like. Oh, look at this, girls. Oh my god, it looks like a Gucci dragon. I mean, Gucci is a snake, but aim지아 is going for dragon maybe, but I don't know. But this says like feel the fire. Okay, today's Friday. I feel like a fire, so I should wear this top and just go whatever I want. But do you see? It's just like a skin-colored mesh top. You can see through this, but not that easily. But yeah, it's gonna be really cool. So I'm just gonna wear it right now. I can wear it because right now I just have a bra top on it. So, ooh. Okay, it looks like this. Do you see? So yeah, it's very tight, but it's not that a really tight one. But yeah, I like the design, and I might need a little bit of choker here, so which might look more like punky bustard. Yeah, I love this. I love this. I love this. Okay, I'm still wearing this top, and the next one is a pants. This is a cargo black pants. I usually wear a lot of cargo pants, but I've never worn the aim지아 the label one, so let me just try it. It's just a simple black one, but I can hear something like shivering. I think it might be a chain on it. I don't know. Yeah, I'm always worried about the bottom because usually I wear a small for the top. I wear everything on my top, but I usually have to wear more than medium for my bottom because I don't know, like, I have a weird pant size, you know? I have, oh, so this is like the chain on my left, and, you know, it's a baggy pants, so they have a banding at the bottom. I always like this kind of like chain pants because they always look cool, you know, like maybe this might fit to my outfit right here. Yeah, maybe I should change it. And the next one is a same cargo pants with a beige one. So, you know, like I think the beige color is kind of in this season. Like, I don't know why, but I'm seeing everywhere. And also in Seoul Fashion Week, I've seen a lot of beige colors in every collections. Like they use in trench coat, they use in like the top, the knitwear, and everything. I mean, even the pants, like they have all the beige colors, especially collaborated with the yellow colors. Yeah, so I'm always into beige. I was not into beige before because, you know, like I like pop colors, but right now I'm really into beige color, and I really like the feeling that the beige gives us, you know, like it feels like nudity. I mean, not nudity, I mean, but it feels like a very soft, but it's chic, you know, like the beige color gives the softness and the chicness together, so it's very cool color to play with it, you know. So yeah, this is another cargo pants with a beige color. I can't wait to open this thing. Oh, yeah, baby. This is another chain pants with a beige color. And you see there's another banding at the bottom like this. Oh my god, I can't wait to style that. And sadly, this is the last piece I've ordered in aimjia. But yeah, it's one of my favorite. Let's just see how it is. Pink color, you know, like aimjia, the label, they are really famous for their cool cargo pants, you know, like, and yeah, honestly, I got this 3 cargo pants because I just love their fit and love their silhouette. I could never find this kind of cargo pants in anywhere in Seoul, so I had to order it over shipped. So yeah, this is another light pink color, and it kind of like matches my hair, even though my hair looks a bit more strong. But yeah, it smells, and it smells like, I mean, it smells like a vinyl. But yeah, it looks like strawberry milk, you know, like it will be so cool to wear during the spring, especially when I go to see the cherry blossom. I'm gonna kill everyone with this pants, you know, like, oh my god, I can't wait to style them on. Thank you aimjia, the label, to making this amazing products, amazing collections, and yeah, I love them so much. So how was the video? You liked unboxing the aimjia, the label with me, or did you want to see another one? Nah, but I really had fun unboxing with you because unboxing is always really fun, and this was my first time buying an aimjia, the label, so don't forget to follow my Instagram to look at my stories, look at my daily looks with the aimjia, the label. So yeah, thanks so much for watching this video. Please like and comment if you like anything. If you don't like anything, just comment below. I will happy to read it all. So okay, see you in my next video, guys. Bye.